Today I'm at a old hospital that's not running anymore. We out here today to get some bait. Catch me a few bluegill so I go to the Mississippi River. I'm gonna check the Tennessee River out first, and then I'm gonna go to the Mississippi River. See how that is since the water went down some down there. See if we can get some, y'all. I got one already, just that quick. Nice little bluegill. There you go. We'll be back in a minute. Got my bobbers out here today. See how they perform. See if I can catch a fish on it. It's warming up out here today. It's supposed to be about 87 to 88 degrees. We're gonna see how it go. Y'all stay tuned. I got it, I think. I don't know what it is. Big blue cat.
Big blue.
Big old blue cat. He laid it down. It's a nice fish right there. Yeah, he's a nice one. We're gonna let him go, y'all. First one of the day. He hit first. He's gone. Stay tuned. I got one on. Yeah. Looked up. He come off. Yeah. He come out right there. Had to run down here and get this rod before you pull it in the water. Like sometimes you want to hook him in his back. If you ain't got no current or whatever, you hook him in his back like that. Or what I like doing, whether I got current or not, hooking him right here. That way it's harder for that fish to get him off. Put that hook right through there like that. That way he'll sit just like that. So when that fish grab him, he gonna hit him head first. So when he hit him head first and try to take off with it, he's sure to get that hook. We're gonna get him back out here. I'm gonna put him right back where I had it. You can just about throw it as hard as you want. That's how you fish with a live bluegill. I'll set this rod up. Y'all stay tuned. Look, there you go. There you go. and go and get it. That's a nice one. See what it is. First fish on the team, catfish. Thundercat. Oh. I don't know what this is, y'all. Could be a big old channel cat, could be a blue, could be a big old flathead. We gonna check it out. Don't wanna come up here. Blue. Flathead. 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 We got him, y'all. Flatheads in the daytime. Flatheads. Y'all stay tuned. Get this fish out here. We got flathead yard right here, y'all. A little nice one. Look at that bait in his mouth. That's how he wanted that bait. Just like that. 7/0, eagle claw, snelled, sunfish head, fresh. Look how scarred up his head is. He is scarred all up. He been in them snags in there. I nailed him. Flathead. Flathead. Nice one. Little 10-pounder, 8 10-pounder. Be nice. Be nice wherever you go. You gotta spend time on your water so you can figure out your spots. Work your spot over and you'll catch fish. Catch these flatheads in the daytime. He is scarred all up. And we're gonna let him go. Nice little flathead. We'll be back. All right, y'all. We here at Mississippi River. Got my monster rod holder. That's how we're gonna do it. These rod holders down, they're not good. What if I get a hold of a big old blue? You won't pull my rod out there in the water. I'll be using live bluegill today. That's a cut skipjack. So y'all stay tuned, let me get set up and we'll be back. We back, y'all, on the Mississippi River. Fishing the current scene right there. That's what I'm fishing. Right there where that stick floating at, that's the current scene, so that's where I'm fishing at. Cut bluegill, live bluegill, monster rod holders. Team Catfish 12-foot, 30-pound mono, Team Catfish 5,000, gold ring. Ugly stick, big water, 10-foot, pin 6,000, 65-pound braid. Yeah, we on Mississippi mud right now. That other bank over there is Missouri. So that's where we fish. Y'all stick around, fish with me, stay tuned. Hopefully we can get on a hog out here. Yeah, we still here on the Mississippi River. Still waiting on that hit. So we're waiting on. Mississippi River. That current's fast out there too. I'm using 8 ounces of lead and it's moving it just a little bit. Y'all stay tuned. Hope we can get a barge bite. I'm hoping on it. Stay tuned. Mississippi mud. See if I can get one in the backwaters. It's a nice spot. Flatheads in here too. See if we can get a flathead in here. Got live bluegill on. See how it go. We'll be back.